Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video I want to talk about Chainlink. I want to give you guys another update on what is in fact happening with Chainlink right now. It's been about a month since I last gave you guys an update on what is happening with Chainlink. So I thought to myself, for today's video, okay, I might as well go ahead and give you guys a little update on what is happening with Chainlink, and of course show you guys a fair few charts indicating where potentially, right, Chainlink might actually head in the next bull market. Now, we know the next bull market is officially going to pretty much happen next year in 2024, and of course, especially 2025. So some exciting times for crypto, okay? The future is looking pretty bright for crypto, okay? And we're going to see a massive pump for a lot of altcoins and of course Bitcoin in the next upcoming few years, guys. So yes, today I really want to give you guys a little update what's happening with Chainlink right now. So before we get into this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would always of course appreciate that. So let's begin with this video. Chainlink right now is sitting at $6, and I'm here to tell you guys right now, in the next bull market, okay, I really do believe this is going to happen for Chainlink. I really do believe we will in fact see Chainlink pump all the way up to a new all-time high, which will in fact be at least $100 or even close to $100 or over $100. Okay, so I really do believe personally, guys, okay, this is obviously just my personal prediction here, that I really do see Chainlink reaching a new all-time high in the next bull market. Okay, so I easily see Chainlink going back up to its previous all-time high. So if we go to the weekly time frame here, Chainlink's previous all-time high was in fact at around $50 pretty much. Okay, and I really do believe we can see Chainlink easily go back up to its previous all-time highs and of course reach a new all-time high in the next bull market. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to talk about for today's video for Chainlink. But Chainlink right now, yes, it's sitting at $6. You guys can clearly see that. Now, we did in fact see Chainlink a couple of days ago, okay, about almost over a week ago, we saw it sitting at $7. But since we did in fact have that crash just recently, we all know about, Bitcoin obviously crashed, and pretty much the entire crypto market did in fact crash as well. So ever since we had that crash, you guys clearly see Chainlink did in fact drop all the way down to pretty much back down at $6. Okay, so Chainlink, you guys clearly see it was in fact forming this beautiful uptrend, right? You guys clearly see that. Okay, and then had a little pullback, and then of course I had another pullback right there. So now we are in fact sitting at $6. Now, if you guys haven't seen my other videos that I did in fact made on Chainlink, you should definitely check it out. You guys clearly see this is my most previous one about 4 weeks ago, and in that video I actually talked about a update that was in fact happening for Chainlink. Okay, so if you guys don't know already, okay, a couple of weeks ago Chainlink did in fact have this major upgrade. Okay, so CCIP, so Chainlink launches cross-chain protocol. Okay, so this is obviously a major update for Chainlink. Okay, it really was. So I'm not going to talk about that for this video because I'm pretty sure everyone knows about this already. Okay, and I already covered this in my most previous video. So if you guys haven't checked out this video, you should definitely check it out. But you guys clearly see I have made plenty, okay, a fair few Chainlink videos, because you guys know Chainlink is one of those altcoins that I'm really bullish on, and I'm really keeping my eye on. And still to this day, I am buying as much Chainlink as I possibly can. So right now on crypto market cap, okay, Chainlink right now is currently sitting at 22. Okay, and you guys clearly see today for the past 24 hours it's not really moving, right? 0.66%, which is not much, okay, of a movement. And you guys clearly see for the past 7 days it's currently down 17%. Okay, so Chainlink obviously is a great buy right now. Okay, 100%. It's currently sitting at $6. At one point it was sitting at like $7, right? Just remember that. And you guys clearly see how much Chainlink has in fact been dropping, right? So you guys clearly see it's a great buy right now for Chainlink, right? Just understand right now Chainlink is sitting at $6, and soon enough, I'm telling you guys right now, soon enough, mark my words, we will potentially most likely see Chainlink reach a new all-time high of $100 or even over $100 in the next bull market. That's what I want you guys to understand here. Okay, so there is in fact a fair few charts that I want to show you guys for Chainlink, starting off with this one. So this is the weekly time frame for Chainlink, and still, unchanged. So not much movements for Chainlink for the weekly time frame. You guys clearly see that, right? Still below this level. So high low most likely continuation after. Okay, and you guys clearly see, yes, Chainlink has not been moving ever since pretty much May of last year, ever since we had that drop. And just remember, guys, last year in 2022 was a terrible year for Bitcoin and crypto, especially just crypto in general. You know what I mean? We know that, right? That's because we were in fact, in a bear market, and there was just so much FUD, okay, happening around the crypto space, and that caused the crypto market to have a massive crash. So ever since then, guys, back in May, we saw Chainlink drop a lot. And ever since then, okay, Chainlink has just been consolidating. You guys clearly see for the past over 400 days, 455 days, we have seen Chainlink continue to consolidate at this level. We actually haven't seen Chainlink break over $10, over $9, right? We haven't seen Chainlink, touch $10 or go above $10 ever since last year of May. Okay, so its highest was in fact at around, I think it was around $9. But you guys clearly see, yes, Chainlink, okay, has been consolidating inside a channel from past 448 days. Price is colliding up for something big. So, something big is in fact happening for Chainlink. And I really do believe a massive pump, okay, is in fact going to be happening for Chainlink, guys. Okay, so it might take a few more months before it breaks out potentially, okay, because we know we are in fact about to happen. The next bull market is in fact about to happen, guys. Okay, we're about to enter the next bull market. So we might actually see in the next few months Chainlink have a massive breakout to the upside. Okay, and this is where we will in fact see Chainlink, break over $9 and of course $10 for the very first time in a while, right? Over 400 days. So it's been over a year. So just think about that. So $8.2 area is an important resistance zone. Once flipped, the next stop would be $12.5 and higher. Okay, so once we actually break that resistance line, okay, for Chainlink, we will see Chainlink break, over $10, $11, $12, and it will just continue on from there. Okay, and I think that is very, very possible. So you guys clearly see the resistance line for Chainlink is around $9.4. Okay, and once we actually break this resistance line, okay, for Chainlink, understand, look at how long Chainlink has been consolidating at this level. Okay, and obviously a very, very strong support level, right, for Chainlink. You guys can just clearly see that. So understand, once we actually break this resistance line, we're going to see a massive movement for Chainlink, and it's just going to continue up from there, right? We're going to see Chainlink reach back up to its previous all-time highs, and of course reach new all-time highs. So be bullish for that for all my Chainlink holders out there. Okay, so it's looking pretty good for Chainlink. And if Chainlink were to reach, $100, this is pretty much where it would need to go, somewhere around here, right? You guys clearly see that. So I think this is very possible, and it may not seem possible just by looking at this chart, guys, but understand, okay, a lot of altcoins have dropped a lot. That's what I want you guys to understand, right? Cardano at one point was at like $2.9, okay, almost $3. Now it's back down at like 26 cents. Solana was at like almost $250. Okay, it's all-time high back in 2021, and now currently it's at like $20, like $22, $23. So just think about that, right? So Chainlink, yes, at one point it was at like $52, just over $50, and now it's currently sitting at $6. So Chainlink has dropped a lot. So this is obviously a great opportunity to buy Chainlink, okay? And it has been, because Chainlink has been consolidating at this level. So if you really think about it, this would have been a perfect time to DCA into Chainlink, because soon enough, Chainlink will in fact, okay, it will in fact pump like crazy. And what's crazy about Chainlink is the Chainlink chart is so different compared to, the altcoins, right? I've never seen an altcoin consolidate at this level, right, for a very, very long time, at a specific level. And you guys clearly see for over a year, Chainlink has been consolidating at this level for over a year, right? So just think about that, guys. Okay, so I think that is absolutely amazing. Okay, and soon enough, we're going to see Chainlink absolutely pump up to the upside to about $100. Now, if you guys are wondering, is Chainlink going to actually reach $100? Well, I found this article right here, and it's actually pretty interesting, right? It's actually pretty interesting. And this article came out a couple of weeks ago, pretty much at the beginning of this month in August. So August 2nd, today's August 21st. But you guys clearly see Chainlink price prediction for 2023 and 2025 is Link ready to jump to $100. So let's go through this article and you guys clearly see right here. Okay, the Chainlink price prediction for 2023 and 2030 to 2030. So the blue area is potential low, the red area is pretty much potential average, and the yellow area is potential highs. So you guys can see next year in 2024, okay, the potential high for Chainlink is around $47, which means we might actually see Chainlink closing up to its previous all-time highs, okay, because Chainlink's previous all-time highs is in fact around just over $50, so around like $52 to $53, I believe. Let's actually double check on that. If we go to the all-time chart right here, so it's around $52. Okay, so that is in fact Chainlink's previous all-time highs around $52. So next year in 2024, we might actually see a potential high of $47. Now check out 2025. The potential high for 2025 is over $100, $103. So in the next bull market, guys, okay, it seems like I'm not the only one that's predicting here that we might actually see Chainlink reach a new high of $100 in the next bull market. Okay, and of course, when I talk about, the next bull market, that's obviously going to happen in 2024 and of course 2025. So $100, $103 per Chainlink. That is potentially going to be the new high for Chainlink during that time. Okay, and obviously in 2025, we will in fact be in a bull market. Okay, and check out 2030. Its potential high is over 250. Now, personally, I think Chainlink will go way higher than 250. Okay, that's just personally my opinion, but that's just me. Okay, so yes, $103 is very, very possible for Chainlink, okay, in the next bull market. So understand, guys, Chainlink right now is sitting at $6. Soon enough, okay, it's going to reach $100 in the next bull market. Okay, so that's just my personal opinion. You guys can let me know in the comments down below, okay, your personal price prediction for Chainlink in the next bull market. But that is just personally my prediction here. Okay, and you guys are probably wondering, why am I so bullish on Chainlink, right? Why do I like Chainlink so much? So I've said this many times, Chainlink is the biggest oracle in the crypto space. Okay, the biggest decentralized oracle network. Pretty much a lot of different DeFi projects, okay, and different chains utilize Chainlink to fetch data. So pretty much Chainlink is here to stay forever, you know what I mean? And what I like about Chainlink is it has a lot of utility. And I feel like, the crypto space actually needs Chainlink. And I feel like every now and then, Chainlink does in fact have major updates, right? Just like about 4 weeks ago, pretty much upcoming to a month ago, right? We saw Chainlink having a major update of CCIP. You know what I mean? And that was obviously a great update for Chainlink. So I feel like they're always evolving. You know what I mean? That's what I like about Chainlink. So that's that, guys. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I just really wanted to make this video, to give you guys an update on what's happening with Chainlink right now. And I'm still, consistently buying Chainlink. Okay, I haven't stopped. I'm still continuing to buy. In fact, I actually bought some Chainlink earlier this morning, right? Like literally. So I'm still buying Chainlink, guys, and I hope you guys are still buying Chainlink as well, especially at this level, okay, where it's, at, in between this resistance line and the support level, because right now it's a great buy for Chainlink, okay? So I'm prepared. I'm holding a whole bag of Chainlink, and I'm really prepared for the next bull market, guys, okay? I really, really am. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.